Hello everyone, I hope you are absolutely great. In this video I'll show you how you can reset, if you forgot your screen lock, how you can reset that. So as you can see, I'm trying wrong passcode. It's saying wrong. So what you have to do is you have to turn off your MacBook first. So now after turn off, you have to press and hold this power button until it goes recovery mode. So sorry, it's not turned off properly. Let me press it again. So you have to press and hold it until it goes recovery mode. As you can see, it's loading. You have to press little more. So after that, you have to wait for a moment. It will go recovery mode or option mode. You have to select this option mode. It's just loading. You have to select and continue. You have to select option and continue. So this is very easy and simple method you can do without any technical knowledge. So as you can see, it's in macOS in recovery mode. Now you have to erase this MacBook if you forgot your password. If you can do, there's a lot of way you can do that. So if you click over here, this corner recovery assist, and as you can see, there has erase Mac, and you can erase it. Let me erase it. Now the MacBook is erased properly. Then what you have to do is, now you have to reinstall that whole OS. You have to wait for a moment. It's just loading. As you can see, now device is erased properly. First of all, you have to connect with Wi-Fi. It's not showing. Let me try it again. As you can see, now you have to connect with Wi-Fi. Type your Wi-Fi password here. Type your password here, whatever it is. Then after that, you have to activate this MacBook. It's now in activate mode. Without Wi-Fi, you cannot activate the MacBook. So keep it in mind. If you need any kind of further update, you can let me know. Now you have to exit recovery. After that, it's now properly activated. Now you have to reinstall the OS. You have to select option number 2. As you can see, there is a lot of option, but you have to go here, reinstall macOS. After that, continue macOS Ventura. You have to install it. Loading the system image. It will take some time. It will depend on your internet. If it is your internet speed is very good, then it's gonna take less time. If it is not good, then it will take longer time. So keep it in mind. Now you have to agree here. There's some terms and conditions, so you have to agree, and after that you have to select the disk and click continue, install it. So it's started installing that OS. So if you don't know, or if you need any further updates, you can let me know, or you can contact with us through WhatsApp. So once it's installed properly, then it will come like that. So you have to select it. You have to select country, and after that you have to set up it again. If you don't want to transfer anything, you can do like that. Anyway, you have to create an account over here, especially for MacBook. I'm not gonna show everything. So that's all. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please hit the like button and consider to subscribe my channel. I'll catch you on the next video.